This is elevator 1 at the Van Allen Apartments in Durham, North Carolina. And it's an Otis Gen2. Just like every other apartment building I've been to in Durham. It is fully locked on the inside, just like half of the ones I've been in, so I'll have to call myself back up. And the parking floors are locked on in this building, so we can go down to 1. It's a basic tall single-sided Otis elevator. There's a security camera in this one, pointing right there. I think it's the only one of the 3 here that the lantern actually works. There it goes, an asking bit.